Hey guys, welcome to the Kit & Co YouTube channel. Today I'm demonstrating how easy it is to make polymer clay beads using our acrylic bead roller. The two parts to the bead roller just simply slot together and then you slide them back and forth to roll the polymer clay between the two pieces. Take them apart and your bead is ready. This bead roller will make 3 different shapes, and I've shown each of them getting made here. So there we go, I've made 2 pairs of the 3 different types of beads, and now I'm going to demonstrate how I make the holes prior to baking. I did pop a little bit of corn flour onto my, this is just a sewing awl that I'm using. I don't think I needed the corn flour actually. So all we're doing is twisting and gently pushing so as not to disturb the shape of the bead, until we get a clean hole right the way through the bead. Now after baking, I would come back with my electric drill and just drill out those holes to make sure that they're nice and smooth. And with a little bit of sanding on the bead, you're done. Then just before baking, I make a simple little rack for my beads. I could have done a much neater job of this, but I was rushing. All I'm doing is creating some pleats in some basic computer paper, and you pop your beads on there to avoid them going flat or having a shiny side while they're baking in the oven. And there you go, all done.